Do you need to get a vector made but don't have the cash right now to get one? Well, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can do it with a free program called Gimp. Stay tuned. Hi, I'm Monique and welcome to my channel. And if this is your first time here, then please consider subscribing. And to all my new and current subscribers, thank you very much. Today, I'm going to show you how to take a black and white image and make it into a vector using Gimp. Yes, Gimp is actually a free program that I really don't use too much because I do have Photoshop, but I don't have Photoshop on all my computers, so I'm trying to teach myself how to do it on another one. So let's go ahead and jump to it. I've just opened my Gimp program, and Gimp stands for GNU Image Manipulation Program. This tutorial will be real easy, and remember, Gimp is a free program. It does basically all the things that you can do with simple Photoshop. Let's get started. Okay, the first thing I'm going to do is pull up my picture. The first thing is layer, transparency, add alpha channel. Now, once I do this, when I get rid of the white, I will have my transparent background. And you can see it's right there. So I have my little wand, and just like before, click, and you see all of that highlighted. Control X for PC, Command X for Mac. And just like that, all of it is done. This was quick, easy. Now, if I had a more complex one, yes, I would totally be spending hours on it. But this one was fairly easy. So we're going to get rid of those little lines. And done. Just like that, quick and easy. This is now a vector I can use. All I have to do is save it as a PNG file, and I'm good to go. You know what? That was real easy. So let me go ahead and do one that's just a little bit more work to it. Let's jump back. And there you go. I did not 1, but 2 in about 5 minutes. It's pretty easy. Now, doing a more complicated one that'll take hours, I don't think I'm ready for that yet, but we'll see. I'm going to go ahead and move Gimp to one of my other computers and play around with it. What did you think of that video? Did you learn anything? Do you know anybody that it could help? Well, go ahead, send them on over, or you can leave your comments below and I'll check it out. Until next time.